Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is BTC. I am watching the degenpal. On today, we're going to be talking about a special tool called CoinMarketCap, which you can use for your trading analysis. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you guys step by step on how you can utilize CoinMarketCap for your trading analysis and also to analyze the market. Without wasting much of your time, let's get down to business. CoinMarketCap. So I'm gonna be doing this video from my screen. Okay, just stay tuned so I can learn a lot from me. So let's go down to business first. We go to call CoinMarketCap. 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 As you can see, the official website is coinmarketcap.com. Go straight to CoinMarketCap. Okay. Now we are on the homepage of CoinMarketCap. Okay. Now, how do you utilize this tool to do your analysis? Let's say you're a future trader, you're a spot trader, you are a DN trader, depending on the type of trading you are. But the end product that you're a trader, okay? Let's say you want to analyze the market, you want to know the market sentiment, the direction which the market is likely to go, the particular project which is likely to pump or which is likely to dump. You just want to get an information about the market so it will give you an advantage, or it can give you a direction on how to know the direction the market is going to. So what you just have to do when you go to this site first, you input that particular token which you want to analyze, or that particular cryptocurrency you want to analyze. Let's say we want to look at a particular coin called Pepe. Pepe. This is Pepe here. You click on it. When you click on Pepe, as you can see, this is Pepe. Now, the coin is being sold, is currently selling at a market value of $0.000000154. Okay. And so far today, the market cap of this particular coin now is $603 million. Okay. Now, the trading volume is the last 24 hours trading volume is $84 million, $84.5 million, and it has gone down by 8.4% in the last 24 hours. Okay, now you want to look at the chart of this particular project, or this particular coin, sorry, this particular cryptocurrency. I'm a degen trader, so I'm used to using the term token and coin. Okay, so yeah, you want to look at the chart. This is the chart within the last 24 hours. Okay, so in this chart now, as you can see, you can actually adjust the time frame. This is the last 24 hours, is 1 day. You can also adjust it. Let's take it to 7 days and see what the market is showing us. Last 7 days, as you can see, this is the last 7 days. It has gone down by how many percent? In the last 7 days, this coin has really gone down by over 50%, as you can see from the chart. Okay, let's just say you want to look at it in the last 1 month. You can just click here. So here you can select the time frame you want to look at it. Okay, then you can also select how you want the chart to appear. You want it to appear in a candlestick form, you want it to appear in a line form, depend on the one that is more convenient for you. Okay, now look at the market cap of the coin. This is the market cap. It shows you by market cap. The graph will appear by market cap, or it can appear by price. As you can see right here, it's appearing by price. So you can also look at where these particular coins have been listed at. This is where the coins have been listed. Okay, so you can look at the current news that is happening about the coin. These are where you can read news, what people are saying about this coin right now. This is what people are saying about the coin. You can just read about it and see if people are saying bad things about the coin. What are people saying? What are the market sentiment? Cryptocurrency is a new let me call it a new field that is currently prone to market sentiment. Is highly volatile. So whatever people are saying affected. People are scared of losing their money. So people's investments here is like 100% dependent on what people are saying, the market sentiment. So that's why I say that the volatility of most cryptocurrencies are so high. I see today Bitcoin will hit 30,000. The next 10 minutes, it has gone down to 27,000. And the volatility is so high because of why the market is still new. So people are very, very skeptical about what people are saying, currently saying about it. Okay, so In this let's say you want to know more about this particular coin, you can look at it. What is it being ranked currently? It's being ranked at the top 67 crypto coins in the world. Okay, this is a market evaluation, this is a coin price, this is the top exchange where you can trade this coin. And you can also look at it. You can also look at the percentage this exchange are holding. Okay, currently now, Binance is number one. It's holding the highest, followed by OKS, then followed by Deepcoin, B2, and Bybit. Okay, now you can also look at just like I said earlier, you can also look at top wallets, people that are holding more of this coin. The top wallets that are holding more of this coin here. Okay, I can also look at possible, like you can also use this tool to do possible analysis on where this particular cryptocurrency is heading to. Okay, where this particular cryptocurrency is heading to. You can also add this particular coin to your watch list on CoinMarketCap. Look at it, you have your watch list here. I forgot to tell you guys, this CoinMarketCap, you can also create your account on it. As you can see, log in and sign up. I'm not logged in already, I just want to use to show you guys. You can log in and you can sign up. So you can also create an account on CoinMarketCap. When you create an account, you can add this coin to your watch list and be following the coin. Whatever that happens, you can put a price alert. If it hits this also alert me so I can ape into this particular trade. Okay, so these are some of the things you can do with CoinMarketCap. What you can do with CoinMarketCap are limitless. They are limitless. Okay, so most important thing is this, just like I said earlier, know what the market is saying about it. Market sentiment will tell you the direction the coin is going into, and also tell you what people are saying about it. As I can know how to make your investment and will not end up not losing your money. Okay, so thanks for sticking around, thanks for being with us. In our next video, we're gonna be doing a proper in-depth on this coin market cap. We teach you guys on coin market cap all the features that have been contained in CoinMarketCap. So if you're interested in that video, please do it to subscribe, like this video so that it can also get to people that know that want to watch it. Because actually, like I said earlier, my videos are actually meant to educate people who doesn't know, the newbies in this space. Okay, some people doesn't know about all these tools. Okay, so my videos is just to educate them. So please do it to subscribe, like the video, turn on the notification button so that this video can get to people. So if you also want us to, if there's a particular topic you want us to cover, please just do it to drop it on the comment section. Just like I said earlier, drop it on the comment section. And also, please, 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 and please, I beg you, tune on and wait, because I'm gonna be dropping the next video on this coin market cap and tell you much about coin market cap and things you can use coin market cap. So just like I said earlier, in a summary of everything, coin market cap is basically a tool that could be used to analyze the market, and most importantly, it can be used to follow the news. The news is the most important thing in this space. Follow the news so I can flow with the trend. Okay. Thank you guys. I love you guys. Enjoy yourself and enjoy your day. Bye.